What's up YouTube, it's your boy Catloco, and today we back at the yard and I found something I was looking for. Just want to check it out. This is a Pontiac G6 and this is a coupe. This is a GT model 09. And I'll show you the main reason why. The biggest thing with a two-door is with my two-door Caprice, I don't have this lever. To pull the seat back. And this is black leather. Doesn't have the GTP in the headrest. It's a GT model, but I'd rather not have the name anyway. But this is a good one if I want to take it. I came kind of late, so I may or may not have time to grab it today. I might have to come back tomorrow. But I just want to check it out. But this is what potentially I might swap the seats with, as long as it fits. Got little cup holders in the bottom. I could definitely see me rocking these. Either the Caprice or the Chevelle. One of them. This thing got hit hard. But normally those seats are gone. I may have to take the passenger side out first, just because the driver door is kind of bent in, like right here. But that's light work. Anyway, this is candidate number 1. I'll hit you back to 2. I know last time I showed you that Caprice outside with the bunny seats. I thought it was Grand Prix. But this is a 96 Bonneville 4-door. If I had a box, this would definitely be the seats I get. Get your black seats that I wanted. No rips. That seat's good in there. Back seats look decent. Every car smells like Black & Mild, I swear. This is pretty clean though. This is probably definitely something. I know Steve Davis wanted these black ones because the other brown ones was ripped. I want to say it's almost like a dark gray. It might be a dark gray. Now I'm looking at it close. I would still rock those, so yeah, I want to say it's like a charcoal. Definitely a charcoal. Because that's black. And that looks more gray. Anyway guys, if you guys looking for some nice seats for your box Chevy, these Bonneville seats are nice. I know Schaefer got some in his, and I dig it. I think he might have took the headrest off and just left the back. But this is a nice seat. Alright, hit you back. Welcome back guys, it's your boy Catloco. And we're back at the junkyard. I was actually out here pulling those G6 seats. But before I go, I want to come take a look at the truck section.